Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So what's going on? Today video is be very important for all Stellar XLM holder because whether in last 1 hour, last 1 day, in last 7 days, all change occurring positive. As you can see here, in last 1 hour, 0.52% profit, in last 1 day, 6.38% profit, in last 7 days, 5.29% profit. That's clear, my friends. To upcoming time, Stellar XLM will completely blooms up and completely go in the moon. So therefore I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to I'm 100% sure to they will make you a millionaire now. But kindly holder, if you want to get a profit, so therefore you will need to hold. If you hold, so I'm 100% sure to they will give you a profit. But if you are starting selling, so they will never give you a profit. Please, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And this time, my friend, everybody know this too, when a price will pumps up. So the main result is that, my friends, to holder are starting investing, holding. So therefore the price will pumps up. Otherwise, my friend, no coin will moving upward if a holder are starting selling, if a holders are not holding. In this time, my friend, Steller XLM price, the highest price is 0.3 USD dollar, but the lowest price is also, my friend, same, not very big difference, 0.29. Just only, my friend, it's not a big difference. So my friend, absolutely the price will increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So therefore I'm 100% sure they will again hit this target and they will give you a profit. See you next time, Stellar XLM holder. Kindly like the video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. ABS section will guide you, update you every day and every second, my friend. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.